I posted a little tutorial yesterday, and I'm not sure everybody had a chance to see that. And I've just completed grading your first assignments, and I want to go over a couple things with you so that we can move forward and be successful in the course. First, remember that the first thing you do when you create your Word document before you turn it into a PDF is that you select double spacing. Then you want to make sure that you include a title. One of the things that I want to point out as we move through the semester is that whenever I take a sentence out of context, it needs to make perfect sense. Some of you are writing sentences that don't make sense. Let's look at this one. This film means a great deal to me because there's a great deal of content that relates to my life. Okay, do you see that that's a sentence that says absolutely nothing? Well, I know what you're thinking. You might be thinking, well, gosh, I put the title of the film in the title of my document. You'd think you'd know. Well, no, you don't, because it needs to be clear in every single sentence that you write exactly what you are talking about, and it should be able to be pulled out of context and make perfect sense. So let me fix this sentence, and let's take a look at it. Okay, let's check it this time. The film 12 Angry Men, a script that explores the prejudice of an unjust criminal case, is significant to me because, as a pre-law student, I want to be an advocate for fair justice. Do you see the difference between that and the first sentence? I know you do. You're just a little rusty on this, and let's make sure that we completely write this. Let's just see. Now I'm going to carry on with this, of course, and complete the assignment just as it is written in the PDF. But let's say I'm going to continue the content, and I'm ready for it to be posted. Let's take a look. I've given this a title, and I've italicized the title of the film because that is how I write a title of a film, and I get started in the work that I am to complete. Now you might notice that this double spacing makes this part of the document pretty gapish, and so the important thing is that I include this. But let's see what it looks like if I do just that information like this. You see how nice and tidy that makes the document look? Now, when I have written the document, I'm going to read it back out loud so that I can catch any of these errors. That concludes this tutorial.